Oh my god. That's great. What a cute little cat. Dan, you gotta check this video out, dude.
Give me a minute.
It's, you gotta check it out now, dude. It's a video of this cute... Look, come here, man. Come check it out. Quick, set your books down.
This is proteins and Greek proteus.
Dude, come check this out. It's so cute. Look at this. Alright, check this out. Look. Whee! How'd they get the cat to do that? That's so funny. Look at his little paws. I wonder whose cat that is. What'd you think? What? You loved it, didn't you?
I'm a pussy for kitties.